How to make viral carousels on Instagram. Want to go viral on Instagram? Carousels now outperform reels. Let's break down the formula. So, step one is to create a powerful hook. So, create a powerful hook slide, keep it under 10 words, make a clear promise, and stop the scroll instantly. Now, deliver value. Use one idea per slide, 10 to 20 words max, alternate layouts to keep viewers swiping. Now, mixed media. Add at least one video slide. Mixed media carousels hit higher engagement, but few creators use them. Now, end with a strong call to action. Ask viewers to save, share, or comment. Avoid generic thank you slides. Keep design consistent. Font colors and spacing should match to build trust and rhythm. And that is how to make viral carousels on Instagram.